In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your followers and followings on Binance, specifically within the Binance Square or P2P social features. Whether you're new to Binance or just getting familiar with these social aspects, I'll guide you through the process to ensure you can easily access and manage your social interactions on this platform. To get started, you'll first want to open the Binance website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. Once the website is open, the next step is to locate and tap on your profile icon. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking here will take you to your main dashboard, where you can view and manage your various account details and settings. On your dashboard, you'll notice a section dedicated to your followers and followings. To delve into more details, look for the small arrow symbol, represented by A, next to the Followers tab. Clicking this arrow will expand the section, giving you a more comprehensive view of your social network within Binance. Here, in this expanded view, you'll find two distinct lists. The first list you'll encounter is your followers list. This is essentially a collection of other Binance users who have chosen to follow you. Being aware of who follows you can be particularly useful in managing your social interactions, especially if you use Binance for networking or if you're actively engaged in social features like Binance Square or P2P trading. Next, you'll see your followings list, which encompasses the users or merchants you have decided to follow. This list can offer insights into who or what you are most interested in within the Binance ecosystem. It's a helpful way to keep track of merchants or fellow traders whose activities you might want to monitor more closely. Now, if at any point you wish to manage these lists, perhaps to remove a follower or to stop following someone, you can usually do so directly within this section. It provides a straightforward and user-friendly interface to help you maintain and curate your social network as suits your needs. Remember, engaging actively with your followers and those you follow helps build a vibrant and informative trading community, enhancing your overall experience on Binance. Having access to this information allows you to keep tabs on your interactions and stay connected with other users who can provide valuable insights or trading opportunities. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough walkthrough on how to check your followers and followings on Binance. Hopefully, this makes the process clearer and helps you make the most of Binance's social features.